Hey there guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be reviewing Vivo Y73. By the way, I have used this phone continuously for a week, so it's going to be based on that usage. Now with that said, this phone is being sold online on Flipkart and official website. It's available in one variant and it's priced at 20,990 rupees for 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Anyway, that's about the pricing and storage information. Now let's start off with the review. First, let's start with the performance. This phone has Helio G95 processor with Mali G76 MC4 GPU with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of storage. It also comes with 3GB extended RAM, which can extend a part of memory to be used as extra RAM. They claimed it could keep 20 apps in memory. I tried it. Yes, it does keep more than 20 apps in memory. So that's pretty great. I just didn't try to keep them for the whole day. Now that would be whole another test. Now these are Antutu and Geekbench scores. Everything runs without any issues. Gaming is pretty smooth with minimal to no lag, with good performance and good visuals. There are no heating issues. After approximately 16 minutes of gaming, it was just warm. It has multi-turbo and ultra game mode. For more information about gaming and performance, check our gaming review, links in the description. Next, let's talk about the display. This one has 6.44-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. It also supports HDR10 and has 570 nits of peak brightness. So the display is pretty good. This is how the display looks. It has the water drop notch, and that AMOLED display adds to the overall gaming experience. Overall, it's pretty good display. Now let's talk about hardware. This phone comes with all the basic sensors, and it has in-display fingerprint scanner, and it's pretty fast. It unlocks the phone within a second. You also get the face unlock feature, which is pretty fast. In good lighting conditions, it's pretty fast, unlocks within a second. Even in low lighting conditions, it works, and it is fast, similar to the good lighting. And in complete darkness, it still works, and it's still as fast as good lighting. That's pretty great. Now it also has dedicated SD card slot, which can house 2 nano SIMs and an SD card at the same time. So overall, the hardware is pretty great. Now when it comes to software, this phone is running FunTouch OS 11 based on Android 11 with 1st April 2021 security patch. So when it comes to software, there is no lag, everything is pretty smooth, and it offers a lot of features. To know about them, check our best features video, links in the description. Now when it comes to cameras, this phone has a triple camera setup on the rear with 64 megapixel primary camera with f1.79 aperture, a 2 megapixel bokeh camera with f2.4 aperture, and a 2 megapixel macro camera with f2.4 aperture. And for selfies, it has 16 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture. Now here's the camera user interface. This is the default photo mode. On the left we have portrait mode, night mode. On the right we have video and more options. There is no wide angle lens. Now the front facing camera has the similar interface, and here are some sample pictures taken with rear and front cameras. Pictures from the rear camera have good exposure control and the colors are on the saturated side. Dynamic range is great and the sharpness is good. The color temperature is slightly on the colder side. And these are the selfies. Color reproduction is good and skin tones look good. On some there is some processing going on, but overall they look good. Dynamic range and exposure control are nice. Now when it comes to battery department, it has 4000 mAh battery, it supports 33 watt flash charging, it is supposed to give you 61% charge in just 30 minutes. Now the battery life is good for an average user with some minimal gaming. Even if you are a heavy user, it's not going to be a major issue since it has fast charging. Next, this one comes with a single speaker at the bottom. Here's a quick audio sample. Speaker is loud, so when it comes to media consumption, ringtones and alarms, it will be good on this phone. And also, it has the audio jack. Coming to the build and design, this phone has a nice build. It's pretty slim and light. It has ultra slim AG glass, which is anti-fingerprint and is 2.5D rounded frame. On the back, it is a pretty cool finish. We have the Roman black color, which has straight lines pattern on the back, and it looks really nice. When it comes to the overall form factor, this phone has a thickness of 7.38 mm and weighs 170 grams. In hand, it feels light, it's slightly slippery, but feels good to hold and fits pretty nicely. So guys, to conclude, Vivo Y73 offers great things like AMOLED display, 33 watt flash charger, Mali G95 processor, and the cameras are pretty good. Considering the overall package, it might not be comparable to the online phones, but for a retail phone, it is pretty good. So guys, what do you think about this phone? Do let us know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description, it always helps the channel. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.